Hello everybody, this is Ben again. Today I'll be showing you how to make a cable hive using 123 design. So let's get started. First, let's grab a cylinder. Not a cylinder, a prism. Sorry, get that mixed up sometimes. Let's give it a radius of, by the way, I'm typing down here, 12.7, a height of 101.6. And finally, make sure it has 6 sides. Just need to make sure I'm putting it in a good position. Okay, now let's grab another prism. Make sure it's centered. This one should have a radius of 11. A total height of 100. And finally, yet again, 6 sides. Now we want to submerge it into the original prism. Sorry, I need to zoom out a little. And there we go. Now we subtract. So we select the whoops, sorry about that. So first we subtract. So first we click on the original, then click on the new one. Now we have what we have here. Now we want to Control C to copy it. And now Control Paste it. Now we want to move this up 11 and to the right or left 19. And we keep on doing stuff like this 3 times. Here's the third. And there we go. Now we want to merge these 3. So just click on all 3 and there they go. Merged together. Now Control copy them. Control copy or Control C. Now Control V for paste. Up 22. Paste again. Then 22 again. Or 44 in this case. Now all that's left is to merge them. And voila! We've got a cable management hive. This tend to be used for flash drives, headphones, and other random wires you keep around, possibly chargers. Well, I hope this thing will be helpful for you. It helps me sometimes, so have a good day. Bye.